What's up, YouTube? It's your girl K Slay, and I'm back with another video. Today is gonna be a spend a day with me. About to go get this hair did. Just woke up. Just woke up, brushed my teeth. I did me a facial last night. So I woke up like this.
Baby.
Yeah.
Let's go. Put your money up and let's go.
Here I come.
Your mama's always late. Kason, no.
Okay, y'all. So everybody is dropped off. I'm on my way to my hair appointment. And yeah, so I mean, there's nothing else to say for real. I just dropped everybody off on my way to my hair appointment. I was gonna have him drop me off, but he was running late because I had to stop and get me some snacks, honey, because girl, you about to be sitting there for hours. I don't know. Sometimes the Africans move, but when they got like 2 or 3 people on your head, but I don't know how many people she got and who are there and all of that. So I'm just preparing to be there because I've had it to where I've been there for only 4 hours, but I had it to where I was there from 9 to 5. So it just all depends. So yeah, I'm trying to keep my eyes on the road. So yeah, y'all, I will see y'all in a minute. Spend a day with me, period. I ain't doing nothing but get my hair done. So I might add this to a maintenance vlog or something. I don't know, because it may not be long enough. Because, you know, you can't just sit there and record the whole time. So, I mean, I'm going to check in with y'all, but yeah, I might add this to a maintenance vlog. I don't know yet, but we gonna see, period. See y'all later. Y'all, why y'all just start driving to the wrong place? And I'm already like 10, 15 minutes late. And I hate being this person because I hate when people is this to me. So annoying. But they not too far from each other where I started to go and where it's actually at. So yeah, not too far. I'm gonna be there in like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. 3 minutes, yeah. But I just had to tell y'all, girl, I pulled up, I said, girl, this is not the place. It's the other place. But all right, y'all, the police in front of me. Got to go. This is where I'm getting my hair done, period. They always do such a good job, and I don't lose my hair. My hair is never pulled out, period. Alright, y'all, I'm done getting my hair done. I got Bohemian Knotless. They got done way earlier than what I expected, so that worked out perfectly because now I gotta go get JJ. I gotta go get my son from school, so I'm just hoping, y'all, that this hair is human, because I would hate for it to get the tangling. But yeah, can't really see it right now. I'll show y'all when I get home because it's cold and I gotta warm up because woo, baby, it's freezing. It's always freaking freezing or snowing around my birthday. I hate that so much, but it's alright. That just come with a part of being born in January. That's why I gotta move somewhere warm. Okay. But alright, we're going to get Jaden from school and then I'll see y'all later. Hey y'all. So right now I'm on my way to get I'm about to try to get my eyebrows done, but if I can't, I'm gonna just do them myself and I will do them with you guys. And then I'm on the way to my pedicure appointment. I did do my gel X nails last night. Some of them got bubbles and some of them is cool. I do need some lotion on, but these are my gel X nails. These are the BT Art Box gel X nails. And you see how the French comes down? I like that. I like that. I do like them because they shorties, but they alright. I think I might, next time, I might get mediums. If they even have mediums. Sorry for the glare, y'all. I was trying to fix the glare. But yeah, so, yeah, they got shorties. And I think next time I'm gonna get mediums because yeah, medium might be a little better for me just because the shorties is like, they like everyday nails for sure. Like I can ball a fist. Like that's how I always check to see if my nails is cool. If they short enough is if I could ball a fist. If I could ball a fist, then we in there. But I really wanted them to be a little bit longer. But I picked these because I love the French tip. I love how the French tip go down a little bit more because I like that type of deep French look. So yeah. Hair check. I did take y'all with me to get my hair done, but I didn't really show y'all my hair. So when I take this bun down, I am going to show y'all my hair, like for real, for real. But I'm gonna take it down after I get my eyebrows done. I did go yesterday, so I started the vlog on Thursday when I did get my hair done. So Friday, yesterday, I just did my gel X nails, but I did them like super late at night. So they really didn't come out the way I wanted them to, just because some of them do got some bubbles. But overall they look cute, they cool. I added the rhinestones to the ring fingers, both of the ring fingers, because I can't do the rhinestones on the other fingers because I braid and it be getting caught in the hair and I don't be having time for that. So yeah, this thing wiggling. It's like anybody else that got car stands, well, mine is the one that hang from the rear view mirror. And I might have to get a different one because who want to be jiggling the whole time you talking? And I'm going to be posting this and y'all going to be like, stay still. Like you giving me. Yeah. So anyways, I just wanted to update y'all because I'm about to get off of here because this is jiggling way too much for me. But, what was I about to say? Hair check. Oh, yesterday, besides doing my gel X nail for maintenance, I had to go back and get the ends redone on my hair, y'all. My hair was so tangled. I didn't even record it, but my hair was so tangled at the bottom. So I had to go back to them and have them recurl my ends. So yeah. They recurled the ends and then I did my nails. So today is gonna be brows. Tomorrow's my birthday, so today is gonna be brows. I'm getting a pedicure. And then I'm gonna do my my everything shower is what it's called, my everything shower. So with my everything shower, I'm going to V, you know, the areas that need to be V, like my underarms, and my legs. I'm gonna V all of that, and then just you take a shower afterwards. That's all that is. So yeah, and then that'll complete the birthday maintenance. I ain't got nothing else I need to do for real. I do need to get this lip a little bit more, because I did a facial the other day, which I did record. But on my facial, like, I got my little mustache, my little peach fuzz real good. But, like, when you get real close, you can still see some of it. So, I'm going to go back over that because, yeah. But, anywho, I will come back to y'all when the feet getting done. Yeah, period. Alright, y'all. Oh, my teeth look good, girl. Your teeth look good. Alright, y'all. See y'all when I get the feetsies done. Or the brows. Because I'm supposed to be going to get my brows done first. So if I go get my brows done first. How did this break, bruh? So if I go get my brows done first, I'll come back on here. Whichever one. If I do my brows at the mall, I'll let y'all see. And, you know, if I do it myself, I'll let y'all see too. But either way, between the sun and this jiggling, we got a part. Alright, y'all. See y'all in a little bit. Alright, y'all. I made it to the mall. And almost got ran over by a car. I made it to the mall. It is 3:33. And my tow appointment is at 3:45. But like I said, she only like 5 minutes away. So hopefully it's not a bunch of people in here. And it just got so cold all of a sudden. But hopefully it's not a bunch of people in here to where it's gonna take all day. So we gonna see. Yes, please. I made it in the chair. All right, y'all. So I just got my eyebrows done. Y'all see what I'm talking about? Yeah. Hi, Mia. Hi, Mia. Hi, Mia. Hi, Mia. Yeah. The eyebrows is slain. Do you hear me? All right, y'all. So now I'm on the way to my tour appointment. Y'all, I'm running late. I got to get off of here. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So we at Deja's. My nail tech. The best. Ooh, period. Ooh, period. We about to get these toes done. Yeah. And we be yapping, so yeah. See y'all when they almost done.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to see like the top down. Come on, let's put some more away and live right now. So let's not waste another day. Got to find out to see them. Let's take a ride through the same with the top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Let's put tomorrow away. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far. See with the top down.
When she redipped my hair, she straightened out some of my hair. Yeah, like, why would you do that?
Right.
Like, because she had to redip my ends because it was raggedy at the bottom.
For real?
Like, I think they might have used bad braiding hair. Like, you know how some of the braiding hair be dry rotted?
Yeah.
I think she used bad braiding hair because it looked worse than this,
For
but
real?
yeah. So I went back and had her redip it.
And then some of your ends got straight.
Yeah, then some of my boho ends got straight when she redipped it. Like, why would you do that?
Oh my God.
Ugh.
She said, they look cute.
But they still look cute though.
They
Huh?
do.
Period. This is my first time having boho braids.
Sarah, do you like it?
It's cool.
Yeah.
It's starting to tangle a little bit already. See that little knot right there?
Yeah.
I don't be on that. Next time, if I...
It be that last little of that drill. I mean, of that file. That make them look like false toenails.
Period. Because Deja always do it. She be doing it. Doing it. Hey y'all, so I just took my everything shower and I'm in the bed. I should have closed out the vlog when I was in the bathroom, like, you know what I'm saying, with my robe on and stuff so it could be more aesthetically pleasing. But y'all, it's my birthday right now. I can do what I want because it's my birthday. Do you hear me? So I just want to close out this maintenance vlog, my birthday maintenance vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everybody. Let them know what we doing over here on this channel because it's a lit period. I love you guys so much. Shout out to y'all, my 3 subscribers now. Period. We gonna get bigger, y'all. We gonna get bigger, but until next time, love you guys so much. It's your girl K Slay and I'm out. It's my birthday, y'all. It's my birthday. It's 12:30, January 19th. Period, y'all. It's my birthday. It's your girl K Slay and I'm out. Peace. K Slay.